moved from India to Turkey, we were searching for different schools here.
That was our first priority.
Yeah, because yes,
because we had to
enroll in some school, and we were not sure about, because we didn't have any friends, we didn't know anyone here.
Well, she actually found
I met someone in our society in 511. I met someone and they told me about Unik school. Though we saw other schools as well before, but we were like, okay, let's try something else, because we wanted some better environment for our kid. So one of my friends, she told me about Unik school. We came here and we spoke to Miss Sumaya. She told us about the entire
the philosophy,
curriculum and the
how
philosophy.
they do it and all that. We kind of liked it at that time and all that. We thought that, okay, let's try this. They were dedicated. They tried their best academically.
All the teachers and Miss Sumaya, everyone was so dedicated.
Dedicated. The environment, the education, the extracurricular activities, the suggestions, the feedback we give, or any parent gives and all that. We have seen that they have taken in, they have improvised, they have even did their own things, like they did some events and all that. So I like that about the school, and predominantly the philosophy, the way they balance it, not only the academics, the sports, the extra clubs and all that. So I like that about it.
Yes, they don't pressurize kids. They give full freedom to kids.
Yes, it is different than other schools. First, their philosophy, the Reggio Emilia philosophy and all that, they follow that.
The reading club, the TED Talk. My favorite is the TED Talk because it gives exposure to the children, and in fact, a lot of exposure at this age. So this will develop a lot of confidence in them. So I really like this.